Lust murder, erotophorophilia is homicide in which the offender gets erotic satisfaction by killing. Salient features considered an extreme form of sadism. Sex, most lust murderers are males, but female lust murders are also known, manifest by murder during sexual intercourse, mutilation of victims' sexual organ, cutting or stabbing of breast, lower abdomen evisceration. Usually takes place post-mortem but occur before death also. May be accompanied by sucking, licking, mouthing of wound, drinking of blood. Vampirism may include other activities, removing clothing from the body, posing and propping of the body in different positions, generally sexual ones, insertion of object into bodily orifices, masturbating over dead body, necrophilia, necrophagia, murder after rape, plainly to prevent the victim from going to police or due to anger, jealousy or revenge, is not a lust murder. Fantasies are a key component in lust murders. This may be fueled by pornography, facilitated by alcohol. Most common among serial killers, they choose a victim with a specific trait, offender's ideal victim type. Once the offender has found in the ideal victim type, he might engage in stalking, following victim everywhere, or other predatory behavior before acting out his fantasy or on his victim. Periodic outbursts are often seen. Due to offenders' recurring compulsion or a sudden outburst of sexual desire, behavior is normal during two outbreaks. Case studies: Jeffrey Dahmer, 1960, American lust murderer, murdered 17 men and boys between the age of 14 and suffered from exhibitionism too. His typical modus operandi was to go to gay bars and offer young homosexual and bisexual males money to pose for photos or to watch videos and drink beer at his place. At home, drugged victims into a deep sleep with spiked drinks before strangling or stabbing them to death. He then used it to have oral and anal sex with the cadavers and then dismember them with a hacksaw. He would pose his dead bodies victims in a sexually explicit poses, posing and take photograph. Their head and genitalia were kept on souvenirs and trophies. Biceps and other muscles were frozen for future consumption. The remainder was boiled with chemicals and acids before being washed down the drains. He tried to drill holes in the skulls of some victims and then pour acid into the skull. The idea was to make a living zombie would obey his sexual commands without resistance. He was smart IQ 145 and was able to fool the police many times. Caught on July 22, 1991, sentenced to 957 years in prison. Killed by Christopher Scaver, a prison inmate on October 28, 1994, Hiroshima. Thank you.